Hello, Stevie here, and I'm about people who need supplies because I love to make supplies, and I have 2 shops that are designated to that and more. These are my 2 shops that are junk journal and collage related, and then my bookshop is has just a lot of books in it to read, for pictures, for junk journals, great stuff in books. And I have a lot of purging going on in that shop. This is my original vintage shop, and it has a lot, it's going to have, and it does have a lot of gift type things in it, getting ready for the season. But I wanted to show off this kit, and this is draft printing. I did it in draft too, and you can kind of see has a few little lines here, but it's really good, I think, for junk journaling, which you're just gonna ink anyway, probably, or not. It doesn't have a terrible look to it, so you can put your printer, if your printer does it, on the draft. And these are just cute little cards. Oh, I missed a line in here, but oh, and it's upside down. But you can see the faux stitching in these. This one even better. Here. Let's see. There. Beautiful. Beautiful flowers. They are AI. I don't do AI, but my sister does, and she's part of my shop. So, you can see how beautiful they are. She makes kits for me every once in a while, and I really appreciate that because they're so pretty. And this one you can kind of see the draft inking lines a little bit more, but still, I don't have a problem with it. But they wouldn't have if you printed them, full print or whatever. These are in my digital shop here if you'd like this kit. And I have been working on my table, although now my floor is a mess, but I did get my table cleared off somewhat, and still working on piles and piles I've got to get in. I think I'm just going to list them as supplies and go from there. So thank you for watching. I hope you will subscribe, like, and share my channel. And it helps the algorithm. It helps me pay my bills. See you in the next one. Bye.